Module 2, Lesson 21, Exit Ticket. Rogelio drinks water at every meal. At breakfast, he drinks 237 milliliters. At lunch, he drinks 300 milliliters. And at dinner, he drinks 177 milliliters. Estimate the total amount of water Rogelio drinks. Then find the actual amount he drinks at all three meals. So we have to decide, do we want to estimate by the tens or the hundreds? I say let's do it by the hundreds this time. So 237, what would that round to the nearest hundred? Right, 200. And what would 300 round to? Oh, that one's easy, right? 300 milliliters. And what would 177 round to the nearest hundred? That's right, 200. So 200 plus 300 plus 200, which equals 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 2 is 700 milliliters. Now we have to find the actual amount he drinks. So 237 milliliters plus 300. Oops, this is supposed to be a 7, sorry. 300 milliliters and then 177 milliliters, right? So 7 plus 0 plus 7 is 14. 3 plus 1 is 4. Plus 0 is still 4. Plus 7 is what? Right, 11. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 3 is 6. Plus 1 more is 7. So 714 milliliters is the actual amount he drinks. Estimate how much more water Rogelio drinks at lunch than at dinner. Then find out how much more water Rogelio actually drinks at lunch than dinner. So at lunch we know it's 300. In dinner he drinks 177. So if we still do to the nearest 100, 300 milliliters would still round to 300 milliliters. If we do 177 to the nearest 100, it would be what did we say? Right, 200. So 300 milliliters minus 200 milliliters would be 100 milliliters more. So let's do the actual math now. 300 milliliters minus 177 milliliters. All right. So we get 123 milliliters. Now press pause and do your homework pages, and once you're done, you can press play and check your work. All right, there are 153 milliliters of juice in one carton. A 3-pack of juice boxes contains a total of 459 milliliters. Estimate and then find the actual total amount of juice in one carton and a 3-pack of juice boxes. So I'm going to keep just going right now to the nearest 100. So 153 rounds to, right, 200. And 459 rounds to 500. So 200 plus 500 is 700. And the actual amount is 612 milliliters. B. All right. Now we're going to keep rounding. 459 milliliters. I'm going to round that again to what? 500 minus 200, and that is 300 milliliters. Or 459 minus 153 is 306 milliliters. Are your answers reasonable? Well, let's see. Is 612 close to 700, and is 300 and 306 close? Yes. They are, because we have numbers that are close to each other. Now, of course, B is a lot closer than A. All right, number 2, Mr. Williams owns a gas station. He sells 367 liters of gas in the morning, 300 liters of gas in the afternoon, and 219 liters of gas in the evening. Estimate and then find the total actual amount of gas he sells in one day. All right, so let's do that. 367 rounds to 400. And 300 we have. And 219 rounds to 200. So 4 plus 3 is 700. Plus 2 more is, right, 900 liters. Now the actual, if we added them all up, if we add 367 liters plus 300 liters plus 219 liters, we would get, right, 886 liters. 886 liters. Estimate and then find the actual difference between the amount of gas Mr. Williams sells in the morning, so 300, and in the evening. So 367 rounds to 400 liters and 219 rounds to 200 liters. So 400 minus 200 is 200 liters. Or if we subtracted 367, I keep doing it, 367 liters and minus 219 liters, you would get 148 liters. 3. The blue team runs a relay. The chart shows the time in minutes that each team member spends running. A, how many minutes does it take the blue team to run the relay? So we need to add them all up. 5 plus 7 is 12. Plus 6 is what? 18. And 18 plus 6 would be 26 minutes. It takes the red team 37 minutes to run the relay. Estimate and then find the actual difference in time. So if I want to estimate, we're going to go to the nearest 10. So 37 would round to 40 minutes. And 26 would round to 30 minutes. So 30 minus 40 would be 10 minutes. That would be our estimate. Now the actual is 37 minus 26. We would have to do, I wrote that wrong. Look at me, I'm sorry. 37 minus 26, sorry about that. Minus 26. 7 minus 6 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 11 minutes is the actual. The lengths of the 3 banners are shown to the right. Estimate and find the total length of banner A and C. All right, so if I want to estimate to the nearest 100, A would round to 400 centimeters, and C would round to, 300 centimeters. So estimate the total length. So 400 plus 300 would be what? 700 centimeters. Now the actual length is 437 plus 332. And what would we get? 769 centimeters. Estimate and then find the actual difference in length between banner B and the combined lengths of A and C. So we already did A and C, we know is 700. And if we estimate B, 457, that would round to what? 500 centimeters. So centimeters, 0, 0, 5, 7 plus 5, 12. 1,200 centimeters. Now, let's do, oh, wait, nope, I am sorry. I am supposed to be subtracting. Do you see? That's why. Estimate the, because it said difference. So see, this is why we always read 3 times. The difference, so would be 200 centimeters. Now, I have to do a tape diagram after I find out the difference. So the actual was 769 centimeters, and the actual is 457 centimeters. 9 minus 7 is 2. 6 minus 5 is 1, and 7 minus 4 is 3. 320 centimeters. So now our tape diagram. So we know that this would have been 769 centimeters, and we know this would be 457 centimeters. All right, don't forget to submit in